For workspace configuration, we need to define 4 tiers of item here. First one is level, then second tier would be element template on top of the level. Then this goes into the feature symbology and that goes into the feature definition. We'll see in a minute. Once these are all levels that we first identify. In this case, we decided all bridge new design would be BDGD levels, and if there is any existing, for existings we will have BDGE and the element names. Once we are confirmed with the BDGD, then we'll replicate for the BDGE. So we focus at this moment for the BDGD. Here we need to come into to see the levels, where the level goes first is level manager. We can see we defined all our levels here, and that will have the color, line types and line thickness. Then the second tier from the bottom was the element template. So what is our element template is we have the element in the drawing, we comes here and the management here. So here is the level template TFNSW R1. So this is the bridge design here, and these these are the these are the all templates here. So let's have a look. Let's say abutment concrete. We see abutment concrete, we have the BDGED abutment concrete, which is the one that we have here. Then this is the level, so the bottom one in the bottom tier. Then we have, let's go into another one, diaphragm concrete. So BDGD diaphragm concrete. So if we see here, BDGD diaphragm concrete in the level. So once we defined level, then we are gone into the element template we defined here, and those are the by levels: color, line style and weight. Whatever we give here, that will take by level. But we can also do the other way. We can select our own color, line style and weight here as well. But if we put the by levels here, we can change here and that will take whatever in the level. So this is usually the recommended way, and we choose that way to do. Then we defined what is called the second one was the first one was level, then element template, then we have feature symbology, and then we have feature definition. So we see the feature symbology. So feature symbology is, we need to come into the Explorer here, and then this is the TFNSWR1 DGN leave. We see here feature symbology. So in the feature symbology, let's say in the solid, we have abutment. See here, abutment concrete, footings, pile concrete, pile steel, pile timber. So let's have a look the properties. So abutment concrete, we have given a name here, but where is that? That is here in the 3D top template and bottom template here, BDG bridge design abutment concrete, which is our element template was abutment concrete. So that was in the abutment concrete. So whatever we have defined here, we can see everything is in there. So approach slab, if we see, and we see the properties approach slab, deck slab, approach slab, which is deck slab, approach slab. Now this is the third one from the bottom. That means now we have another level, that is the feature definition. So which is the topmost one. So everything here, there in the features symbology will come here. So we define, let's say support line, or let's say supports. Coming to abutment, we see abutment concrete piles. So if I have an abutment with concrete piles, or abutment with steel piles, or abutment in timber piles, I have defined this way. So abutment concrete piles is abutment concrete, and footings and pile concrete. So this one, this is the abutment concrete in the abutment items in the symbology. And then footings, that's in the, we have in the footings this one. And then what we have, let's say girder. So girder timber is, let's say girder timber here. So all this symbology here, that is actually taken the feature symbology from the feature symbology.